Now we will see conversion from Mealy machine to Moore machine. You can see this finite automata and this is Mealy machine. How to know that? Now the outputs Z1, Z2 are associated with the input 0 and 1. So the outputs are not associated with the states. So this is Mealy machine now. I have to convert this Mealy machine to Moore machine. So idea is very simple. How to do it? So first you start with the initial state, which is Q1. Okay, now from Q1 on receiving 0 I am going to Q2. See this, on receiving 0 I am going to Q2 and output is Z1. So I have written Z1 with Q2. Please stay with me and you will understand this. Okay, now from Q1 on receiving 1 I am going to Q3. See this, on receiving 1 I am going to Q3 and output is Z1. So this thing. Okay, for Q1 I have transition for 0 and 1 and I have completed it. Now let's take Q2. From Q2 on receiving 0 I have output as Z2 and remain in Q2. But if I do this, there will be a problem. Now see this. This is the interesting one. If I take this 0 and remain in Q2 and if I make this transition and on 0 I remain in this, but here the output is Z2 and here output is Z1. This is a conflict. I cannot have two outputs with one state. So I cannot draw this transition because of this very reason. What I have to do is I have to make one more state with Q2 and output Z2 and on 0 I will go to that state. I cannot make that self loop because of this Z2 different output with the Z1 which is I already have. Okay, I will come back to this again in some other state in this question only. Please stay with me and understand now. For Q1 from Q2 on receiving 1 I am going to Q3 with output as Z1. So this is simple. From Q2 on receiving 1 I am going to Q3 and output Z1 and we have Z1 here. There is no problem. Okay, and since I have added new state Q2 and Z2 I should have the transition of 0 and 1 for this state also. Okay, so from Q1 I have 0 1, from Q2 I have 0 1, from this Q2 also I have 0 and 1. You can write it as Q11 or Q22. So these are two different states now. These are not same states. For Q2 I will refer this only and for 0 I am in Q2 Z2. Now I can draw this loop. How? Because from Q2 on receiving 0 I will have output as Z2. So from Q2 on receiving 0 I have output as Z2. Now I can draw the self loop. And from this Q2 only on receiving 1 I am going to Q3 with Z1 output. So I will be going here only. Wherever this was going I will go from here on here also. Okay, now this is simple one. So this is completed. Now coming to Q3 on receiving 0, see this 0 I am going to Q2 with output Z1. So from this on receiving 0 I am going to Q2 with output Z1, not with Z2. Remember this Q3 on receiving 0 is going to Q2 with output Z1, not with Z2. So here Z2 not Z2, I will draw this transition to Z1 only, not with Z2. Okay, and this one more transition is available. This is Q3 on receiving 1 it is going to Q3 with output Z2. If I draw again, I am saying you the same condition which was at Q2, the same condition I cannot draw like this. Why I cannot draw like this? Because this means from Q3 I will receive 1 and output Z1, but here the output is Z2. So I cannot draw this self loop. I have to remove it. And what I have to do? I have to introduce one more state Q3 with output Z2. Okay, and from Q3 on receiving 1 I am going to Q3 with output Z2. Now this is correct. So from this state I have output from, I have transition for 0 and I have transition from 1. But what about this new state which we have added? I can write it as Q1 and this is 3 2 and this is 3 1. Okay, so from this, on receiving 0, if I from Q3 if I receive 0, I am going to Z1, Q2 with Z1. So this thing. And now you can see this Q01 having out transition for 0 and 1. This is also having transition for 0 and 1. This is also having 0 and 1. This is having transition for 0 and 1, and this is also having 0 and 1. So all the transitions are completed, and this is the required Moore machine from the given Mealy machine. You may ask me, sir, there is no output associated with Q1, so you can write any output, either Z1 or Z2, because there was no output given in the Mealy machine. So I can have Z1, or you can write Z2, but not both, because two outputs cannot be associated with one state. Okay, this is how we can convert it. You can write one question to practice. So this is one Mealy machine given, and you have to convert this Mealy machine to Moore machine. Can you identify which machine is this? Yes, this is 2's complement conversion Mealy machine, which we have drawn in the last to last video. Okay, you have to draw its equivalent Moore machine by the conversion method which I have shown you just now. Okay, thank you.